Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the main router actually has internet. Make sure other devices load a web page. Once done, power cycle the repeater and connect a laptop by Ethernet or the repeater SSID so you have a stable link. Open the repeater web interface or the vendor app using the device IP or default hostname. You need admin access. Enter credentials and note firmware version and current wireless mode. This initial check prevents chasing phantom issues later. Now you verify configuration. Confirm the device is set to repeater or range extender mode rather than access point because that affects routing. Make sure the SSID and authentication match the main router and choose the same band or a compatible one. Mismatched channels or WPA versions break backhaul. Update repeater firmware to fix known bugs and check DHCP settings. The repeater should not be conflicting as a DHCP server. Save settings, note the repeater IP, and finish by testing internet access from a client device. Run a trace route and check DNS resolution so you know where packets stop. If you still have no internet, perform a factory reset on the repeater, then reconnect to the router step by step, set mode, SSID, security firmware to avoid repeating mistakes. Make sure the repeater is not set to a static IP that conflicts. If problems persist, use an Ethernet backhaul to isolate wireless problems. That single tip reveals if Wi-Fi or routing is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.